Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into Stable Diffusion AI review in order to check if the AI image generator is worth using. So here's a breakdown. The Stable Diffusion is one of the most powerful and flexible AI image generation engine available in 2025. It's an open source, which means developers and creators can run it locally, and it is a customizable model. You can also tweak the parameter and build in tools on top of it. So whether you are making a photorealistic renders, concept arts, showreel visual, or stylic image, Stable Diffusion deliver a consistently high quality result, and you are not locked into a single app limitation. The pros include the unmatched customization, control over model and styles, community built-in extension and plugins, together with no usage limit when you run it locally. Now, talking about the downside. The downside are that it can feel technical, like when it comes to setting up the local environment and managing the GPU resources or fine-tune the model isn't as beginner friendly as click and generate platform like Midjourney or Night Cafe always do. Also, the quality varies depending on the model and the parameter you use, so result can always consistent without practice. So talking about the downside, the steeper learning curve, the hardware requirement for local use, and the inconsistent outputs unless you spend time optimizing. So in my opinion, I actually think the Stable Diffusion is absolutely worth using in terms of flexibility, and if you want a full creative control and insane flexibility result. So for casual usage, you might actually use these AI tools for more easier image realistic project. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. You're welcome.